Hello students, welcome back to EVS chapter 6 part 1. In this chapter, we are going to learn about safety and first aid. Our chapter name is also safety and first aid. But today our topic is safety at home. Let me introduce you to this topic. Children, safety is nothing but staying away from danger. It is not so that we have to follow the safety rules only on the road, but we have to be careful inside the house also. सिर्फ रोड पे ही आप जाते हैं तो सेफ्टी रूल्स नहीं फॉलो करना है, बट इनसाइड द हाउस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. वी कैन बी सेफ. Be careful and do the things in the proper way. If we are careful, then we will not have any problem. See, some signs are some symbols are given, sign are given. They prevent us from danger. Whenever this sign is there, we must stop or we must not touch that object. It will prevent us from danger. Now here some points are given. My first topic is safety at home. Here are some points. I will tell you one by one. My first point is do not play with matchbox as it catches fire very early. So, small children should not be allowed to play with the matchbox. Do not play with sharp objects, pointed objects which are there, knife, blade and scissor. Knife mother uses to cut the vegetables and fruits. So small children should not touch it. In this way we can prevent ourselves. Do not play near a lighted stove or gas cylinder. It may be dangerous. Do not cut the fruits and vegetables on your own. You must always ask someone big to cut for you. Do not plug touch the plug points. So plug points are there in the house, but you must never put your fingers are small, you must not put your fingers in that plug points. You might get the electric shock. And in the same way, there are so many electrical appliances like mixer, grinder, iron, geyser in the house. You must never touch it with the wet hands, or when they are plugged in or when they are in the running condition. They may give you a severe shock. Also, whenever there is a hot pan on the kitchen platform, never a child must try to go and touch it. It may fall on you. Here I will show you some pictures regarding these points. First point, it shows that the child is putting the plug inside the plug. No, he must not do that. He may get the shock. The second picture shows that the child is touching the hot pan which is lying on the kitchen platform. It may fall on her and she will get burned. Third and fourth picture shows that the child are playing with the pointed objects, fork, spoon, knife. These pointed objects, they may hurt your sense organs like eyes, ears. The pointed objects may go in your eyes and it will make you create a problem for you. Never play with the knife. In this way, this thing should be kept out of the reach of the small children. In the safety at home, the next point is do not jump on chair or sofa. Many times the children like to jump on the sofa, but if they fall, they may get hurt or they may get a fracture on their hand or leg. So they must not jump on heights on the chair or sofa or the something which is on the height. Put away your toys and other things after you have played with that. You should put away in their proper place. You must not keep them here and there, as you may fall on it and you may get hurt. Do not roll while going or coming down, up or down stairs. Do not jump on the stairs. You may fall. Do not touch pesticides and insecticide. Many a times these things are there in our house to kill the insects and pest, but this should be kept out of the reach of the children, otherwise they are poisonous and they may create a problem for us. The topic is, the last point is about the animals. So many animals are there, domestic animals are there around our house, or sometimes we keep them as a pet. Small children have the habit to tease them. No, we must never not tease the animals which are around us. They are our friends. We must take care of them. If we tease them, they may bite us or scratch on our body. So, in this way, they can hurt us. We must never do these things. Some pictures are shown here. Children are jumping, which is, I told, we should not do, otherwise, they may fall. The second picture shows the child is jumping on the stair. That is also not correct way to. We must go slowly up and down stairs. The third picture shows the child is touching the pesticides and the cleaning objects which are there in the house to clean. So, if he put it in his mouth, it will be dangerous. The fourth and the fifth picture shows that the children are hitting the animals. It is not correct. We must always love the pets. In this way, we should follow some safety rules. Here are some safety rules which I would like to tell you. Small children should not take medicine. Medicine should be kept out of the reach of the children. If they put the medicine in the mouth, it will create a problem. So never take medicine on your own. Do not play outdoor games, cricket, football inside the house. You may hurt, you may fall, and you may also break some precious article in the house, some precious item in the house. Do not play on the rooftop. Some children they go on the rooftop and they are jumping. No, you may fall. Do not let the children to be alone in the bathroom. If the is on, do not let the child to be alone in the bathroom, or he may get the hot water burn. If the child is having alone in the house, please see that the safety lock is on the main door. So these are the rules which one must follow. Here are some pictures. Children are playing on the rooftop. It is not correct. Child is playing the cricket inside the house, which is also not correct. So one child is taking the shower bath. If the water is too hot, it is wrong. Child is playing near the drawer. He may get his fingers in it. And here the medicines are lying and the child is taking that medicine. No, all these things are dangerous for the children. So being careful and following safety rules is the way to keep away the danger. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, children. We will meet soon.